Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to add desktop to your Finder sidebar. As you can see, desktop is not added over here. It doesn't appear over here in the Finder sidebar, but I am going to tell you how to add it. It's very easy. All you have to do is open a new Finder window. You are going to find Macintosh HT over here. Just click on it, then click on users, then go to your users folder. For me it's Joey's Tech. And here inside your users folder, you are going to find desktop. Click on it, then drag it to your Finder sidebar and leave it over here. And there you go. Desktop is added to your Finder sidebar. If you want to remove it, just right click on it and then click on remove from sidebar. It will be gone. I'll tell you one more way to add desktop folder to your Finder sidebar. Just click on Finder here in the menu and then click on settings. When this window opens, just click on sidebar. There you go. You will see desktop over here along with other options. You can see it is not selected as of this moment. Click on this checkbox to select it. Now open a new Finder window and you can see desktop appears over here in favorites. And this is how you add desktop to favorites in Finder. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.